What up, gang? I got some sausage stuck in my teeth, so hopefully it doesn't show up on the camera. But today, I'll meet up with my dad, cruise both the cars. He's never driven my Vet. He's never driven my Zimmer either, so he's probably just going to stick in the Vet. I'm going to teach him how to drive it. We're going to go get some happy hour. And yeah, it's going to be cool, man. Let's do some pulls first, show you what we're working with. I just got a car wash today. Unless you hand wash every inch of this car, it is impossible to keep them clean. The little water spouts get everywhere. It's just annoying. But here's what I'm gonna be rocking today. You know, the Rolls-Stang. Let's start doing some rolling shots and. This is hard. My mode basically is sport mode. You know what to do at this light. Zimmer Mustang. What? Zimmer Mustang.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it a manufactured car? Or?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
From Syracuse, New York.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but not anymore.
Oh, yeah.
That's why there's only a couple of those.
Looks like a vintage.
Yeah. on a 2011 Mustang, so I get the classic look, but I get Bluetooth and safety features. So kill two birds with one stone.
Boy, I guess you got about 8 of them there.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's about right?
Oh, that's great. Wonderful car.
Thank you. Thank you.
Did you hear the kids go by the moped? They're like, dude, is that
Yeah.
like a TikTok?
Did you like
I
it?
don't know if they spun around in that.
Seems like they did. They said, "Hey, nice car."
Oh. You wanted to do, wow, this is pretty nice.
Yeah.
You wanted to do a cove fan and try to
Yeah.
sit outside. I don't know if any happy hour. What's up, Robbie?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. Just out with my pops cruising.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good to see you.
You too.